How to use WhatsApp broadcast list. So if you want to use WhatsApp broadcast list, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to create a broadcast channel. So if you've already created a broadcast channel, then you won't need to create it again. But if you've not created, then you need to go and create a broadcast channel. Go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and you can tap on new broadcast and then select the persons that you would like to add to your broadcast. Once you've created your broadcast channel, now here, as you can see that I'm on my broadcast channel. Now if you want to use the WhatsApp broadcast list, then you can send a message. So for example, if I send something like hi, then as you can see that I have 3 recipients on my broadcast channel. So if I send hi with this broadcast channel, in this broadcast channel, then that message will be delivered to all of the 3 recipients that I have in my channel right here. So just send it, and after sending, if you go back, then here, as you can see that it has been sent to this person, and you will also have a little broadcast shape icon which is on the bottom right, and this person. So that's how you can use your broadcast list. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.